Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and if you want to check your card number on Chess app, then this video is for you. So first thing, that can you view your debit card or credit card number on the Chess app? The answer is no. The Chess app doesn't display the full debit card number or the credit card number for security reasons. While you can access the last 4 digits of your card and perform actions like locking or unlocking your card or viewing transactions, the app doesn't show the complete card number. So how to access debit card information on the Chase app? So how you can actually get the information of your card. So while you cannot view your full debit card number, the Chase app provides other useful information about your card. Here's how to find it. Log into the Chase app, open the app and sign in using your username and password. Then go to accounts, then select your checking account linked to the debit card or credit card. Then find card details, look for options like manage card or card settings to view the last 4 digits of your debit card, transaction history and the card status. Manage your card. So you can look for or unlock your card, report it lost or order a replacement directly from the app. So that's how you can just simply do it. Hope you found this video helpful, and there is an alternative way that how you can viewing your debit card number on the Chase app. So you have to do is check physical statements. Your card number may be printed on older bank statements if you have paper copies. Use digital wallets. If your card is linked to a digital wallet like Apple Pay or Google Pay, you can often find the virtual card number, which is a secure representation of your debit card. Then contact your Chase support. Call to Chase customer service at the number on the back of your card, or use the in-app messaging feature to request assistance. Or you can visit a Chase branch for immediate help. Visit your nearest Chase branch and speak with a representative. Thanks for watching. Till next time.